Welcome to our channel. Today I want to show you how to clean the microphone in your phone, Samsung Galaxy A32 4G. We need a rectangular brush with flexible bristles. The bristles should be soft or medium hard, otherwise you might damage your phone. We need isopropyl alcohol, 100% pure in such a diffuser or small container. You can buy all these items as a set, Allegro, Amazon. If you don't have one, you can use a regular toothbrush, just make sure it's medium soft or medium hard. Medium hard or soft. It can't be hard because it will scratch your phone. The phone must be completely turned off. Never clean your phone while it's on. Dampen the toothbrush thoroughly. Lift it up. And the microphone is here, this little dot. Right here. And clean it in every direction, 5 to 6 times each. A few times in one direction, then a few times in another, then again in a different direction. Repeat this a few times, making sure to thoroughly clean the opening from every single side, and carefully work to get all of the hidden dirt and debris out. Repeat this process from every side. Repeat this 2 or 3 separate times, or even up to 20 times in each direction, and you will find that you have a perfectly clean and functional microphone. Once you've finished cleaning this main microphone, there's also a second microphone on the other side of the phone. Here. And it should be cleaned as well, because it's responsible for noise reduction, for the speakerphone, and for things like the voice recorder. So it's also useful to keep it clean, so it works reliably as it should. So again, just a few times from each side. Only in one direction, just like I said. Always a few times in one direction, just so that the dirt doesn't just move around, but actually comes out, softens and comes out of the opening. After finishing the procedure, we set the phone aside for about 10 to 15 minutes to let the alcohol evaporate completely, and then the phone is ready to use. That's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. Please give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and see you in my next video.